In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning logo for free using AI. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we want to do is actually create a logo image. If you don't want to create a logo image, then we can skip this step and I'll timestamp everything in the description below. Currently, I'm using Microsoft Bing Image Creator, and here I just typed in a simple prompt that says create logo for a cosmetic brand. And here you can see it suggested these logos. So I personally like this particular design here. We can tweak the prompt as well. Let's go ahead and create a new one. Okay, so one thing to note is that it's not very good with text, but this is why we'll fix this issue in the next step. I'm not happy with any of these designs, so I'm going to go ahead and tweak the prompt. Okay, so this looks loads better. So I personally like this particular logo here. I'm going to download this one. And now let's move on to step 2 and we'll go ahead and customize this. So we're going to use Canva to customize this. So again, I'm just giving you a general framework. If you use Photoshop, then you can use Photoshop to do this step, or any other program that you use, okay? So I'm just going to create a new design. Let's import that image, which we just downloaded, which is this one. With Canva Pro, you can use this feature to automatically grab the text from our AI generated logo. And then I can hit grab text, and this will allow you to quickly customize the text that was generated on this particular image. If you're not using Canva Pro, no issues. We can just click on text here, and then we can choose from one of these pre-designed texts, or we can just add a normal text here and then just customize the font to suit our branding. All right, so I'm just going to delete this. Now let's add our brand name. I think we'll drop this sub headline. So I'm happy with this design. Okay, and then we can just go ahead and export this. We can just hit download. Again, since I'm using Pro, I can choose transparent background. So in your case, if you don't have the option to choose transparent background, you can just download it. Okay, and let's have a quick look. Okay, so that looks fine. So what we can do now is we can just search good old Google and then just search background remover, okay? Okay, we can upload our file. Okay, and there we go, it's removed our backgrounds. Okay, and then we can just hit download. To download the HD version, it's just prompting us to sign up, which is absolutely fine. But again, as I said, depending on the different tools that you have, you might use Photoshop already. So then you can just use Photoshop to remove the background. Let's say you didn't want to pay for Canva Pro, you can use the 30-day free trial, and then you can just download the logo with the background image removed. On Canva as well, we can remove the background directly from here. We can just say background remover, and here it's remove the background, and we can download this in a PNG format. Okay, like and subscribe for more videos like this, and if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.